Good morning from Grand Valley Farm. It's July 27th, 2025. It's about 10:30 in the morning. And it's about 72 degrees. There's a blue in the sky, but some clouds too. We're gonna have a get together this evening. Family dinner. All the kids and the grandkids will be here. Yeah, that should be a fun time. Even though it's Sunday, still gotta keep the water going. It's very dry right here. And plus, gotta keep an eye on the animal water, especially with a pig trying to knock things over just to play in the mud. Anyway, I'm ready to get back up to the house and see what's going on. Thanks for watching. I'll catch you later.